Hello, I'm Aaron Craigie. I'm a member of the Chainbreakers team. Today I'm going to do a bike check. Okay, so to start off with, I have a Syncross seat with a physics seat post, which goes into my Tomac Diplomat 29er frame, which has nuclear warhead stem on it with a nuclear warhead handlebars, steepy grips, X9 shifters, Avda Elixir 5s, brakes, Mantor towers with 150mm travel. Then I got my Bronson WTB tyres. Not sure what rims they are. And I got my Fox Floats RP23s with 140mm of travel on currently because more air in them. And then crank arms, I've got SRAMs, I got the X10 front gear system, and then at the back I've got SRAM X5s, recently replaced from the otherwise embarrassing video of me crashing and ripping it off. So yeah, that's pretty much it, and I got my nuke-proof pedals, and that's about it really. So yeah.